Can you see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Ryan and Afrin. Okay, I'll turn on the camera after a while. So yeah, coordinate geometry, this is the continuation of the same coordinate geometry which you have learned in the previous class. In previous class, you have just seen the basics of coordinate geometry. Basics means you have just got to know. Yes, only you two are there. So yeah. Yes, hi Inan, how are you? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine.
Okay, we are going to start coordinate geometry because just after a few days, Ryan is having exam. Let me finish this one quickly. It's just very small chapter we are having over here. Then definitely I'll take you wanted to discuss triangles, right?
Yes, ma'am. No problem.
Triangles, right? I will take triangles. Let me finish this one as he is having exam. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So yeah, this is the after a while I'll turn on the camera. So this is the same continuation of the same coordinate geometry which you have done in class 9. There you just got to know that how to locate any point. If what are the quadrant? In first quadrant, both the sign will be positive. In second quadrant, x is negative, y is positive. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is also negative, and in fourth quadrant x is positive, y is negative. So this basics you just got to know in the previous class. Now today directly I'm showing you the formula, because from where we got the formula, actually it will never ever come. Yeah, we will be practicing enough questions so that you will be confident with the formula. So at first we are having the distance formula over here. Distance formula, suppose you are having a coordinate, let's say in coordinate axis you are having a point, and that's point coordinate is suppose 2 comma 1. Okay, x is 2, y is 1. uh, the name of the point is a. We are having one more point, that is point b, and here the coordinate is suppose x is 5 and y is 7. And if we want to find the distance between ab, then we just Yeah. So if we have to find the distance between A and B, AB, okay, distance between the point A and point B, we have a formula. Okay, the formula I am writing, and then I will show you the uses of the formula. Distance between 2 points. So the formula is square root of, actually it came from Pythagoras theorem only. So yeah, from where the formula came, it will never ever come. Yeah, that is quite simple, but I'm directly showing you the formula. So the formula is, if we have to find the distance, so actually it is ab square is equals to x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, what is x2, what is x1, what is y2, what is y1? I'm just telling you. And actually we write it this way, that if we have to find the distance ab, then it will be root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, yeah, here plus minus sign will also come, but since we are talking about the distance, we don't take the negative sign. Just a second. Yes, let's continue. Okay, so what is x2, what is x1, what is y2, what is y1? I'm telling you. So here we are having 2 points a and b. Just now we have seen. Just a second. So just now we have seen, okay, a coordinate axis like this. Point A was there, point B was there. Here a coordinate we were having, here coordinate we were having. We will be calling them, one of them as a x1, y1, another one as a x2, y2. So we can say this A, the point A, whatever be the coordinate, okay, 2 comma 3, 5 comma 7, whatever it is, we will be saying the first, okay, x1, y1, and the other one as a x2, y2. You can also take it other way. I mean, you can also talk about the distance ba. Actually the distance ab and distance ba is same. So whatever you are taking x1, y1, x2, y2, it will not give any impact on your answer. Even if you are assuming, suppose I have given the coordinate of a as a 2 comma 3 and the coordinate of b as a 5 comma 7. So you are telling that, okay, we are not finding ab, we are finding ba. Okay, and anyone, okay, I am taking this one as a x2, y2 and the other one as a x1, y1. Okay, your answer will not change because whole square you are having over here, this power 2, you do 5 minus 3, you do 3 minus 5, doesn't matter at all. Are you getting it? Any point you can call x1, y1, any other point you can call x2, y2. Making sense to all of you? Getting it? If you will do the square of this one or maybe this one, are you understanding these two are exactly the same thing? Why same thing? Because here you will get 2 square, that is 4, and here you will get minus 2 whole square, that is again 4. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's what I'm trying to tell you, that how to pick x1, y1, x2, y2 when the points will be given, when you have to find the distance. Suppose I will draw a line segment. I will draw a line segment pq. Okay, I will say p is let's say 1 comma 2 and q is 5 comma 3. Find the distance between p and q. Find the distance between p and q. Now you are getting confused which one to take x1, y1, which one to take x2, y2. So I am just telling you, you take any one as a x1, y1. If you want, you can take p as a x1, y1 and q as a x2, y2. Even if you are taking the other way, p you are taking as a x2, y2 and q you are taking as a x1, y1, your answer will not change. Let's find the distance between p and q. The formula says the distance formula is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, let's put the values over here. X2 is 5 minus x1 is 1 plus y2 is 3, y1 is 2. Now we just have to do the calculation. That means we'll be having 5 minus 1 whole square, that is 4 square, and we'll be having 3 minus 2 whole square, that is 1 square. We are going to have 4 times 16 plus 1, that is root 17 unit is the distance between the point P and Q. Is it making sense to all of you? You just have to keep in mind this formula for finding any time, any distance. Any distance means when two coordinate will be there, then easily you can find the distance. Making sense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let me take the questions which is there in your book. The first exercise is really simple, just related to distance formula. A triangle will be given. Okay, just a moment. Let me share another screen. Can you see the screen? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
See the questions. Question number 1. Okay, I'm zooming it a bit. See, find the distance between the following pairs. You have to find the distance between 2 comma 3 and 4 comma 1. Now I am telling you, you can take any one as x1 y1 and the other one as a x2 y2, and you can use the distance formula to calculate the distance. Similarly, you will be able to find the distance in the second one. Similarly, you will be able to find the distance in the third one. If you are thinking how, so let me show you how. The distance formula says that the distance formula you got from Pythagoras theorem only. So it looks like this one, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay. So here you can say the first point is x1 y1 and the next point is x2 y2. Okay. So x2 is minus a. Okay. Minus x1 minus a whole square. Yeah, root is also there. Plus y2 minus y1. Our y2 is minus b. Minus our y1 is just b. Okay, root is still is there. And yeah, square is there. Is it making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So we are getting minus a will be minus 2a. Okay, you are having inside the root minus 2a whole square plus minus 2b whole square. You just have to do the simplification a bit. So you'll be getting 4a square plus 4b square. You can clearly see 4 you can take out common factor. 4 you will take out common, a square plus b square will be there. Now the 4 which you have taken out as a common factor, from there 2 can come out. So you will be having 2 root a square plus b square. This is the distance, because after this one, we are not able to simplify it more. Getting it? Every time we are going to use the same distance formula in this whole exercise. Let's see different types of questions. Yes, for now, let me just please confirm. Samya, you was there from the beginning. Are you understanding it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Inan, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am. Currently, in my school, they are taking this chapter only.
They have started this chapter?
Yes, last class they started.
Okay, so you must be getting it. Yes, Ryan, you are getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Afrin, you are getting it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so basic, just very basic formula we are having. Okay, second chapter, we need to discuss more in detail. Here, nothing, there is nothing to understand. Okay, we just need to read the question, and every time we need to use the same formula. I will show you in each and every question, we are going to use the same formula. Let's see the next one. Uh, find. Okay, I'm coming to question number 2. Let me show you different types of question. I mean question number 3. Determine if these 3 points are collinear. Okay, 3 also I'm taking after a while. Let me show you number 4 first. Number 4. Okay, check whether this are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Okay, you are having a vertex A that is given over here. I'm talking about number 4. Okay, the vertex A is given over here as a 5 comma minus 2. The vertex B is given over here as a 6 comma 4, and the vertex C is given over here as a 7 comma minus 2. Okay, and you have to check whether these are the vertices of isosceles triangle or not. So how you will check isosceles triangle? The moment we are reading isosceles triangle, we are able to recall that isosceles triangle means such a triangle where two sides length must be same. Yes or no? Right? Either AB and AC will be same, or BC and AC will be same, or AC and AB will be same. Okay, any two side, either this two will be same, or this two will be same, or the other two will be same. Yes or no? Okay, so we
Yes,
will
ma'am.
find the distance between AB. We will find the distance between BC, and we will find the distance between CA, and we will check two distance. Are we getting same? This is your A, this is your B. Okay, while finding AB, again we will be using the same formula, under root x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So I am writing it directly. X2 is 6, x1 is 5 whole square, plus I'm talking about the length AB, plus y2. Y2 is 4 minus y1 is minus 2. So minus of minus 2 will be plus 2. Any confusion over here? I'm talking about these two coordinates. Any confusion? You can clearly see x2 minus x1 I have written, then y2 minus y1. Since our y1 was also negative, so subtraction sign and the negative 2 just collaborated with each other, became positive. Making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
We'll be having 6 minus 5 whole square is just 1 square, that means 1, and 4 plus 2, that means 6 square will be 36. Actually we are getting root 37. Yeah, we understand this is not a perfect square number, we won't be able to simplify it more. So AB, the length AB, okay, distance between A and B, that means the length of the side AB we have found already. Distance means length only. Okay, distance means length only. So for finding the length of the side of a triangle, you are using the distance formula. Similarly, you will find BC. Please tell me what is BC and please tell me what is CA. First, BC. Yes, everyone, please do it. Your point B is written over here 6, 4, and the point C is 7, minus 2. You have to tell me after finding the distance, what is the distance between B and C? B and C. This is B, this is C. Root 37. Okay. Yes, rest of the student. Yes, Ryan, if you are done for this one, then do the next distance. That means find CA. Already we can see two distances are same. Oh, we don't have to find the other distance. Okay, leave it. But yeah, please find CA. Actually, I want to say that in case CA will also come same, then we can see that it can be equilateral triangle also. Yes, find CA. Okay, CA is 2 root 5. Yes, rest of the student, what is BC? The distance between B and C is what? X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Have you done the calculation and what you got after doing the calculation? Okay, BC and AB are same. So yeah, it is isosceles triangle. Okay, whatever we have obtained as AB, that same answer we are getting for BC. So yes, it is an isosceles triangle. This type of question you will be getting in this exercise. Let's check whether this is isosceles or not. Okay, next one. Number 6. Name the type of the quadrilateral form, if any, by the following point and give the reason. See, you are having, we have to name the type of the quadrilateral. This time you are having the vertex, the coordinate of vertex A, -1, -2. You are having the vertex B, 1, 0. You are having the vertex C, -1, 2. And you are having the vertex D, -3, 0. While writing the vertex, okay, in this chapter, you don't have to use the basics of coordinate geometry. That means you don't have to go and draw the coordinate axis and you have to locate the point. No, you don't have to locate the point. The way it is given over here, first one you can take A, next one you can take B, next one you can take C, next one you can take D, without even thinking about locating it on x-axis, y-axis and all. No, that deeply we don't have to do here. Whatever coordinate will be presented to you, that is given in arrange form. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now we have to check which type of quadrilateral we are having over here. If you understand, quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. Any shape which is having four sides, just four sides, that's called quadrilateral. With the help of the length AB, BC, CD, DA, you have to check whether it is parallelogram, whether it is like which type of is it specifically square or what, or rhombus. Okay, so you need to understand about each and every quadrilateral. In case you are finding the distance AB, BC, CD, DA, one by one you will find the distance. Finding the distance, okay, yeah, you need to give few minutes for doing the calculation, but that is not that tricky. Okay, it's straightforward. Just for AB you have to use the formula. You will be getting the distance between A and B. That means the length of AB you are able to find, then the length of BC you are able to find, then the length of CD you are able to find, and then the length of DA you are able to find. Now you will check, okay, if the length of AB and CD are same and AD and BC are same. I mean, I am telling that if the length of AB and CD are equal and the length AD and BC are equal, that means it's a parallelogram, right? Right? Okay, or maybe if all the lengths are equal, AB, BC, CD, DA, okay, then we can say it's a rhombus. If you are thinking, why not a square? So square has also another criteria, that each interior angle has to be 90 degree. That we don't know. Okay. So if all the sides are coming out as the same length, then we can say it's a rhombus, because in rhombus, the angles can be anything. Getting it? And a square is from rhombus family only. Do you know that? Do you know that
Yes,
square is
ma'am.
from rhombus family? Okay. Square is from rhombus family. So if you are getting in case all the sides same, let's please find it. Just this one. Okay, the first one. What is AB? What is BC? What is CD? What is DA? Okay, let's do it. AB root x2 minus x1 whole square. Directly I am doing x2 is 1, x1 is -1, it will be +1. Okay, whole square. Plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means 0 minus of -2, that is just 2 square. We'll be getting 1 plus 1, that is 2 square plus 2 square, that is 4 plus 4 we are going to get. Okay, so we'll be having 8, root 8. Okay, let's see the next one. BC. Okay, you can call B as a x1 y1 and C as a x2 y2. Again, you will be taking x2 minus x1 whole square. So your x2 is -1, your x1 is just 1, plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Your y2 is this one, your y1 is this one. That means you are going to get 2 square minus 2 square. That means just 4 you will be having. And here also 4. So for now we can see this also came out as a root 2, root 8. Okay. Now let's see CD and DA also. So CD again, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So CD under root under root x2 minus x1. Okay, so minus 3 minus of minus 1, that is plus 1 whole square, plus, okay, if you are getting confused every time, please write it. This one x1 y1 I am telling, and this one is x2 y2. Again I am repeating, if you are getting confused you can write it this way. And if by mistake the, like, whatever I have taken as a x1 y1, you are taking that one as a x2 y2 and the other one as a x1 y1, don't worry, your answer will not change. Okay, because at the end you have to do is square. Then y2 minus y1, that means 0 minus 2, that means just minus 2 whole square. We are going to get minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2 square. Again 4 plus 4, I can see it is again root 8, and I believe dA will also be root 8. Please check it at your home. So A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A all are coming same. So accurately we can say it's a rhombus. Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who want to ask that why rhombus, why not square? Anyone? Everyone is understanding that why we are calling it rhombus, not a square?
Yes, ma'am.
So you can see number 6, all three questions are same. Okay, we have discussed here number 4 as well. Now I will take few more questions which is just like this. Then I'm taking the question which is quite different. So yeah, number 9 and 10, these are quite okay. See, let me wipe everything first. Collinear in mathematics means collinear. That means lying on the same line. Collinear means lying on the same line. I'm talking about question number 3. Okay. Determine if the point 1, 5, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. So we have to check these 3 points are lying on the same straight line or not. Okay. So we can take the first one as a, next one as a B, next one as a C. Okay. Now collinear means like AB plus BC must be equals to AC. Like all A, B, C sitting on the same line. Either this is the case, okay, or A, B, C. This can be the case. Okay, you have already always, okay, you have seen the lines, such line where the end point are A and B and the middle point is C. You have also seen such line where the like end point are A and C and the mid means the point in between, that is B. Okay, so these two are the possible scenario. And the other possible scenario is you can also say that one of the end point can be C, another end point can be B, and the middle one can be A. Middle means just in between, I am saying, not exact middle. Okay, just in between. So these are the three cases which is coming in our mind. Collinear means all the point are sitting on one line. Let me take this question on another screen. We need to discuss it in detail. Can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the moment we are reading this collinear, we are thinking that all this point A, B, C must be in the same straight line. If you are thinking that, yeah, always 3 points are in same straight line, then let me tell you, it is not possible always. Your 3 point can be like this also, A, B, and C. And this is not collinear because all are not sitting in one straight line. Yeah, here, if that is the case, then it is collinear. Or maybe if this is the case that A, B, and C is somewhere, okay, just in between. So this is collinear. Okay, if you are having A like this, B like this, and C like this, then this is not collinear. Okay, collinear means all the points should be sitting on one straight line. When you are trying to join them, you are able to join them just by drawing a single straight line. It's not like randomly it's scattered, that even if you are placing the scale, you are not able to join them. That's not collinear. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so collinear we have to check. Now, the moment we are reading about collinear, three possibilities coming in our mind. What three possibility? We are thinking that either first one can be the possibility, or second one can be the possibility, or the third one. This one can be the possibility. Okay, the end point doesn't matter. If you are thinking that, okay, you are thinking about more possibility, the right for the first one, okay, right end point, this end point, okay, and this end point, the left end point can be C and right can be A. That is also another possibility. So let me tell you, no, that is not another possibility. We are just thinking about this three possibility, the first one, the second one, and the third one. According to the first possibility, okay, we will find the distance A, B, B, C, C, A. Okay, we will find the distance between A and B, B and C, C and A. Okay, and we will check if we are adding AB plus BC, are we getting AC? If we are not getting AC, then we will check the next possibility, that if we are adding AC plus BC, are we getting AB? If still you are not getting this one, then you will check the third possibility. That means if you are adding this BA plus AC, that is equals to BC. Is it so? If any of the possibility is matching, then you will say, yes, these 3 points are collinear. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
And if you are thinking you have to do so much of work over here, no, you don't have to do so much of work. Just you have to find the distance between A and B, B and C, and C and A. Just after finding the distance, you will be able to see here that two of them added together is giving the third one. Two of the distance added together is giving the third one. Is it the case? And if no, not at all, then you will say these 3 points are not at all collinear. Afreen, Samia, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ryan, this chapter you have done in a school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Inan, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yeah, let's do it from the beginning. We will be finding the distance AB, we will be finding the distance BC, and we will be finding the distance CA. AB will be quick, let's do it. X2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. That means 2 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. That means just 1 square will be 1 and 2 square will be 4. Just root 5 we are getting. BC, x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. Our y2, this one, y1, this one, that's whole square. That means we are getting minus 2, 4 square, that is 16, plus 14 square is 196. please keep on checking the calculation. Is it like the numbers and everything is coming out correctly or not? Okay, I'm getting this one. Please check it. CA. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus of minus 11 whole square. We are getting 3 square, that is 9. We are getting 16 square, so 256. Yeah, 256. That is 265. Now 212 is not a perfect square number. Okay. Even if you will, okay, after this step, you have to check that are you getting AB plus BC? That is AC. Why? Because this scenario, A, B, C. Is it something like this? Or maybe A, B, C. Are you getting AC plus BC? That is equals to AB. If this one you are getting, the first one you are not getting, but the second one you are getting, you will take a pause and you will say yes, these three are collinear. Okay, but here also you are not getting, then you have to check the third scenario. That means you have to check that if BA or BA and AB is the same thing. Okay, AB BA is the same thing, plus AC is equals to BC. If that is the case, and here you will find nothing is the case. Okay, we are adding any two of them and we are not at all getting the third one. So yeah, nothing is working over here. Got it? So these 3 points
Yes,
are
ma'am.
not collinear. These 3 points are not collinear. You can clearly see if you will add root 5 with root 212, definitely you will not get root 265. Or maybe if you will add root 265 with this root 5, you will not be getting. Okay, so you will add any two of them over here. The third one you are not going to get. But yeah, you have to write it that you are not getting same. You are not getting same. You are not getting same. Got it? Hence, A, B, C are not collinear. Hence, the given 3 points are not collinear. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue with the other questions which we had left over here. The last few questions which are really important from here. Question number 10. Find the relation between x and y. Relation between x and y. Relation between x and y. If I will write 2x plus 5y is equals to 7. This is a relation between x and y. If I will write x is equals to 8y, this is a relation between x and y. So if you want to say that equation means relation between x and y, yes. Equation, the equations which you have seen so far, that is only also called as relation between x and y. Are you getting it? Getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here you are supposed to find the relation between x and y. That means, do we have to find a equation? Yes. Okay, we have to. Ma'am, in class, sir took this question as taking the area of a triangle as 0 and putting the value in the formula of area of the triangle. Is it the area of the triangle formula you have seen in on that 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2? Is it so? In none?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you seen this formula?
Yes.
Okay. So that collinear one which I was explaining by that particular method, you can do it this way also. So if you are thinking if we will do that way, you will not get marks, definitely you will get the full marks. This area actually formula is omitted from your syllabus, but still, yeah, this is just another way to do it. Okay, so there is a formula for finding the area of the triangle. Okay, they will say that if 3 points are collinear or not, then we will put all these 3 points A, B, C in the area of the triangle's formula. And if the area is coming as a 0, okay, that means we cannot make a triangle out of it. Hence, these three are collinear. Getting it? Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a triangle's area formula. Okay, just using the coordinate, you can find the area of the triangle. If you know the coordinate A, if you know the coordinate B, if you know the coordinate C, you can find the area of the triangle. And there is a method which says that, okay, if you want to check the collinearity of 3 point, then use the area of the triangle formula. If your area is coming out as a 0, that means those 3 point must be collinear. Are you getting Afreen and Samya? Are you
Yes, ma'am.
getting? ओके, तो जब भी हमें 3 पॉइंट्स दे के बोला जाता है कि चेक करके बताओ कोलिनियर है या नहीं, तो अभी अभी हमने जैसे सॉल्व किया, या तो हम वैसे कर सकते हैं, या फिर हमारे पास एक सेकेंड मेथड है, दैट इज फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल. एरिया फॉर्मूला इज 1/2 absolute value of, okay, x1. You understand what is x1, okay? y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Okay, what is x1, y1, what is x2, y2? So point A, you can say x1, y1, B, you can say x2, y2, C, you can say x3, y3, and all the value you can put over here. And what is this line? So this line is the absolute value. Okay, this is actually the